Hi everybody, it's Mark C. Winters, and today I'm talking to some of you integrators out there who are thinking, wondering, is it possible that someday you might be able to grow into, develop into, somehow become a visionary? So what I want to tell you is it possible? Generally, the answer is no. 80% of the time, what we see is you are who you are. If you're a great integrator now, you're always going to be a great integrator. About 20% of the time, if the situation is right, after some experience and some development, you get the confidence to take the leap you need to take. It is possible, but generally, it's really not going to happen. That's not the way you're wired. When we look at Kolbe, for example, they look at a dimension called a quick start. Visionaries almost always have a high quick start because that's what enables them to take that entrepreneurial leap. If you don't have that, if you're not intrinsically wired with that, you're just never going to take that jump to go and start your own thing and some of the things that we look for the visionary to be able to do. I encourage you to look at your visionary integrator assessment results. If you haven't taken them, take them. But really be honest. Take it honestly. Don't game it. Don't try to get some result that you think you want. Answer it honestly, for this is how you really feel. This is how you really see the world. This is how you really behave. And see what it says. You've got to be honest with yourself. Check your ego. One of our great integrators says you've got to be okay with being the Olympic silver medalist, not the gold, and being the vice president of the United States, not the president. Your ego has to be comfortable with that. You must be okay with that. Recognize that trying to be something that you're not in the long term, it's really going to be a mistake. All right? So with all due love and respect for all of our integrators out there, we really need you to be who you are. We need you to be a great integrator. The world needs you to be a great integrator. All right? 3 key points. Most of the time, the answer is no. 80% of the time, if you're an integrator, you're always going to be an integrator. Second thing, you got to be honest with yourself. What are you really? How are you really wired? Check your ego and be really honest. You need to know. And number 3, have a plan. Either way, be the greatest integrator you can possibly be. Or if you're part of that 20% that really honestly believes that you have the opportunity to become a visionary, have a plan on when and where and how you're going to develop to make that leap. Come check us out on rocketfuelnow.com where you can join the list to get our Rocket Fuel Insights, the latest thinking on visionaries and integrators. Join the private group. Be a part of the discussion. Some really interesting things being talked about in there. We'd love to have you be a part of it. Take the assessments if you haven't already. Find out what your strengths are as a visionary or an integrator. And finally, read Rocket Fuel. If you've already read Rocket Fuel and you liked it, we'd love to see a review from you on Amazon. We'd really love to hear what you think. So until next time, rock it on.